Hi, this is a video for the Sarevile wireless mono headset. I'm going to show you how to pair this with a couple of different devices. We're going to pair it to a Chromebook first. You're going to take the dongle that comes in the package, and we're going to plug that into the USB port on the side of your laptop. You'll notice the blue light will start to flash. You take the headset, find the multi button right here. I'm going to hold that for about 2 seconds. Okay, the power is on. I held it for about 2 seconds, and now it is paired with the computer. You've got a volume buttons right here, and if you press up, you'll notice the volume on the computer goes up too. So it is paired with the Chromebook. It's just as simple as that. And if you want to pair it to a phone, while you're paired here, go ahead and hit your multi-button twice. Okay. Hold your multi-button down until the power goes off. You're going to hold it until the power comes back on. Keep holding it until it starts flashing red and blue. Okay, while it's flashing red and blue, you're going to want to go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone. And once you go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, you're going to push that, and while you've got that still in pairing mode, you're going to go down to Pair New Device. You're going to find M99 Plus. And that's all there is to it.
Friday at 9 on WeTV. Catch up anytime, only on All Black. Use code WeTV for 30 days free.
Ever wonder what everyone's doing on their phones? They're banking with Bank of America.
His girlfriend just caught the bouquet, so he's checking in on that rain fund. Oh, that photographer? He's looking for something a little more zen. So he's thinking, well, open a yoga studio. And as for the father of the bride, he's checking to see if he's on track to do this all over again. And again.
Digital tools so impressive, you just can't stop banking. What would you like the power to do?
Mr. Clark, your daughter is a very good kisser.